Hello everyone! Thank you for visiting our channel. Today we will be making delicious, slightly sour raspberry curd. For this recipe we will need raspberries, salt, sugar, egg yolks, cornstarch and unsalted butter.
Because raspberries aren't in season right now, we are using frozen and blended ones from the summertime. Get 500 grams of raspberries, take a sieve and use it to get rid of the seeds. Sometimes we leave the seeds in, so decide if you want to get rid of them or not.
Into the raspberry puree add 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 or 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 5 egg yolks. Mix everything well with a whisk. You can freeze the egg whites and use them when you need to.
Place the pot onto the stove top on a low heat. Mix consistently with a whisk. Cook until it becomes thicker. When you see that the curd has boiled, you'll need to cook it for 2 more minutes, until the curd reaches 85 degrees Celsius.
If you don't cook the curd, then you will taste the cornstarch. You can regulate the thickness of the curd with the amount of cornstarch that you put in. We don't need a thick curd today, so we put in 1 tablespoon.
When the curd has finished cooking, add into it 100 grams of unsalted butter. Mix everything well and your curd is ready. To cool it, you will need to cover it with plastic wrap to contact. The raspberry curd can be stored in the refrigerator for 1 week or in the freezer for 1 month. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much to all the people who have subscribed to our channel before and who are watching our videos and liking them.
The raspberry curd turns out delicious and slightly sour. This curd will be used in the inside of a cake. You can also serve it with crepes, pancakes and cupcakes. Thank you for watching.
And see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.